Vitality can slip faster than expected after 60, and the struggle to maintain muscle strength often feels impossible. Every day, countless older adults face the frustration of weaker muscles, longer recovery times, and the creeping loss of energy that makes even simple activities feel exhausting. Most people turn to magnesium, thinking it will solve the problem. But research shows magnesium alone cannot reverse the damage or rebuild muscles effectively. What if there were two powerful vitamins capable of transforming your body overnight, quietly repairing and strengthening your muscles while you rest? These vitamins are not just ordinary supplements. They target the root of age-related muscle decline and help the body recover at a pace that seems almost miraculous. In this video, you will uncover exactly which two vitamins have been shown to support muscle rebuilding after 60, how they work together, and why they outperform many conventional approaches. You will learn the science behind how each vitamin interacts with muscle fibers, protein synthesis, and energy production, giving your body the tools it needs to recover faster, regain strength, and restore vitality. This is not just about temporary fixes. It is about understanding the mechanisms your body depends on and how small, precise adjustments can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, endurance, and overall energy levels. By the end of this video, you will know how to integrate these vitamins into your routine in a safe and effective way, and discover simple, actionable strategies that maximize their benefits for overnight recovery. Staying tuned means unlocking insights that most adults over 60 do not know, including lesser-known facts about nutrient deficiencies that silently weaken muscles and slow recovery, even when diet and exercise appear sufficient. This video is designed to provide clear, factual guidance without overwhelming scientific jargon, blending the compelling drama of discovering hidden tools your body is craving with practical knowledge that can be applied immediately. As you watch, you will understand why conventional wisdom often falls short, and how these two vitamins hold the key to reversing the decline that feels inevitable with age. Welcome to our channel, where we explore actionable health strategies and breakthrough insights designed to help you live stronger and healthier every day. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest discoveries that can transform your health and vitality, starting tonight. Muscles begin to lose mass and strength as the years go by, and after 60, this decline can feel surprisingly rapid. Everyday tasks that once seemed effortless suddenly demand more effort, and fatigue sets in faster than before. Recovery from even light exercise stretches longer, leaving joints sore and muscles tender for days. Many older adults struggle with this invisible decline, noticing that energy levels drop and physical performance diminishes. Workouts feel less productive, and motivation can waver as the body does not respond the way it used to. Numerous supplements promise to restore strength, yet most deliver minimal results, leaving people frustrated and searching for answers. Magnesium is one of the most commonly recommended minerals because it plays a role in energy production and nerve function, and while it is important for overall health, it does not directly repair or rebuild muscle fibers. The mineral can help muscles relax and support certain metabolic processes, but it cannot stimulate protein synthesis in the way the body needs to rebuild lost muscle mass. Without targeted nutrients that actively promote muscle regeneration and recovery, the body continues to weaken despite regular exercise or a balanced diet. This gap in effectiveness is why relying solely on magnesium often feels like an incomplete solution, leaving the struggle with muscle loss unresolved. Understanding this limitation is crucial because it opens the door to discovering nutrients that actually support the rebuilding process, providing the body with the precise tools it needs to regain strength, improve endurance, and restore vitality in a way that magnesium alone cannot achieve. As the search for effective solutions continues, the focus shifts toward nutrients that can directly influence muscle repair and energy production at a cellular level, offering a more complete approach to reversing age-related decline and supporting recovery after physical activity. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle strength especially as the body ages and natural reserves begin to decline. After 60, many adults experience a significant drop in vitamin D levels, which can contribute to weaker muscles, slower recovery, and increased risk of falls or injuries. This vitamin works by supporting protein synthesis within muscle fibers, which is the process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscles after activity. While magnesium helps with energy and nerve function, vitamin D goes further by directly influencing the ability of muscles to grow stronger and recover more efficiently. During sleep, when the body naturally undertakes repair processes, adequate vitamin D ensures that muscle fibers are rebuilt effectively, helping to restore strength that may have been lost over the years. Beyond muscle repair, it also aids in maintaining balance, coordination, and overall functional mobility, which are critical for independence and safety in later years. Most people over 60 are deficient in this vitamin, often without realizing it, because natural production decreases with age and dietary intake is usually insufficient. Even a small, consistent daily dose can make a noticeable difference over time, improving not only muscle recovery but also overall energy levels and resilience. Incorporating vitamin D into a routine is simple and highly effective, and its benefits extend far beyond what many assume, quietly supporting the body's natural repair mechanisms and giving older adults a significant advantage in maintaining strength and vitality. This vitamin works best when the body has consistent exposure, either through supplements or safe sunlight, creating an environment where muscles can respond to exercise, rebuild after strain, and maintain their structure and function more efficiently than before. With vitamin D in place, the body gains a foundational nutrient that directly addresses the challenges of aging muscles, providing a critical piece of the puzzle in restoring strength and accelerating recovery after physical activity. Vitamin B12 is another essential nutrient that becomes increasingly important as the body ages, playing a critical role in energy production and overall muscle function. After 60, many adults experience a natural decline in B12 levels, which can lead to fatigue, slower recovery, and decreased strength. This vitamin supports the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, ensuring that muscles receive the fuel they need to repair and grow. Without adequate B12, energy production drops, leaving muscles weak and recovery prolonged even after light exercise. By supporting cellular energy and metabolism, vitamin B12 allows muscles to respond more effectively to activity, repairing tiny tears in fibers and building stronger tissue overnight. Many older adults do not get enough of this vitamin from their diet alone, and deficiencies can develop gradually without obvious symptoms until fatigue and muscle weakness become noticeable. Supplementing with B12 can be life-changing, providing a steady supply of energy that powers recovery, enhances endurance, and helps maintain functional strength. When combined with proper sleep, nutrition, and other key nutrients, B12 ensures that muscles are fueled efficiently, repairing faster and performing better day after day. This vitamin acts as a critical partner in rebuilding muscle, giving the body the tools it needs to overcome the natural declines that come with aging and enabling older adults to regain strength, move with more confidence, and sustain higher energy levels throughout the day. Consistent intake of vitamin B12 strengthens the foundation of muscular health by directly impacting energy availability, recovery speed, and overall resilience, making it one of the most effective and often overlooked nutrients for maintaining and rebuilding muscle after 60. When vitamin D and vitamin B12 work together, their effects on the body multiply, creating a powerful synergy that supports muscle repair and growth. Vitamin D focuses on rebuilding and strengthening muscle fibers while promoting protein synthesis, ensuring that muscles recover efficiently overnight. At the same time, vitamin B12 boosts energy production and oxygen delivery through red blood cells, giving muscles the fuel they need to perform repairs and grow stronger. With both vitamins present, the body can repair damaged tissue faster, increase endurance, and maintain strength more effectively than relying on either one alone. This combination also helps reduce fatigue, allowing older adults to stay active, recover quickly, and feel more capable throughout the day. Together, They create an environment where the body can maximize its natural repair mechanisms, enhancing recovery after physical activity and supporting overall muscle health. The presence of both vitamins ensures that muscles receive not only the structural support to rebuild, but also the energy to make that process efficient and sustainable. Over time, this synergy contributes to stronger, more resilient muscles, better mobility, and improved physical performance, giving the body the resources it needs to counteract the natural declines that come with age. By combining vitamin D and B12, older adults can experience a noticeable improvement in recovery speed, energy levels, and muscle function, allowing them to maintain independence and vitality far beyond what many expect. This partnership between the two vitamins creates a comprehensive approach to muscle health, targeting both the structural and energetic needs of muscles to ensure they rebuild effectively and perform optimally. Adding simple lifestyle habits can dramatically enhance the benefits of vitamin D and B12 for muscle recovery and strength. Pairing these vitamins with light evening stretches helps keep muscles flexible, reduces stiffness, and prepares the body for repair while you sleep. Gentle movement increases blood flow, which delivers nutrients more efficiently to muscle fibers and supports the rebuilding process. Combining this with adequate protein intake provides the building blocks muscles need to grow and strengthen, ensuring that repair mechanisms have the raw materials required to work effectively overnight. Small adjustments, like including a protein-rich snack after dinner or performing a few minutes of targeted stretches before bed, can make a noticeable difference in how quickly muscles recover and how strong they feel the next day. These practices complement the effects of the vitamins by creating an optimal environment for muscle repair, enhancing endurance, and supporting overall vitality. Consistency is key, and even minor, easy-to-implement habits can amplify the results of supplementation, helping older adults regain strength, maintain mobility, and feel more energized during daily activities. By integrating vitamins, nutrition, and gentle movement into a simple evening routine, the body is given everything it needs to rebuild muscles efficiently, recover faster, and sustain long-term health and resilience. Over time, these small intentional actions combine to create a significant improvement in muscle function, energy levels, and overall physical well-being. Forget magnesium, because the real game changers for rebuilding muscles after 60 are vitamin D and B12, working together to repair, strengthen, and energize your body while you rest. These vitamins target the root of age-related muscle decline, helping you recover faster, regain strength, and feel more confident in your daily movements. Start incorporating them into your routine for a week, and notice the difference in how your muscles respond, how much energy you have, and how quickly you bounce back from activity. Share your experience in the comments below. We want to hear how your recovery improves and which changes make the biggest impact. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it with friends or family who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more simple, actionable tips to stay strong, healthy, and energized after 60. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video that could transform the way your body recovers and performs. Your journey to stronger muscles and better vitality starts today and will be with you every step of the way.